Okay. We will proceed to now the English song performance of Miss Basu.
Surashri Basu.
Surashri Basu, yes. One second. I was looking for a name.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart, moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls, now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate's back and border. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. Oh, we ain't ever getting older. You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we pretended to song. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate's back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. No, we ain't ever getting older. No, we ain't ever getting older.
Okay, that's virtually thanks to Surashri Basu. We will now move on to Suranjana Basu's performance. So that was a song from Chainsmoker, I believe. And Suranjana, if you are online, could you please introduce yourself?
No, she is not present here.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, great. So which movie is this song from that she's going to sing? Okay, I'll just play the recording.
रिमझिम के गीत सावन गाए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में रिमझिम के गीत सावन गाए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में होठों पे बात जी की आए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में तेरा मेरा हूँ ऐसे, मैं कह दूँ कैसे, मेरा साजन नहीं तू कोई यार है, कि तेरा नाम होठों पे मेरे, तेरे सपने मेरी आँखों में, कि रिमझिम के गीत सावन आए गाए भीगी भीगी रातों में, होठों पे बात जी की आए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में, मेरा दिल भी है दीवाना, तेरे नैना भी है नादान से, कुछ न सोचा कुछ न देखा, कुछ भी पूछा न एक अनजान से, चल पड़े साथ हम ऐसे, जैसे बन के साथी राहों में, कि रिमझिम के गीत सावन गाए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में, बड़ी लंबी जी की बातें, बड़ी छोटी बरखा की रात जी, कहना क्या है सुनना क्या है, कहने सुनने की अब क्या बात जी, बिन कहे बिन सुने दिल ने दिल से कर ली बातें बातों में, कि रिमझिम के गीत सावन गाए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में, कि होठों पे बात जी की आए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में, भीगी भीगी रातों में।
This song is from Anjana movie. Anjana.
Okay, yes, even I checked. Yes, it was beautiful. So that brings us to the end of this program. So before we leave, does anybody want to say something? How was the experience? Chitrangada, I think we are meeting for the first time. Chitrangada Dwivedi.
Yeah, actually, I've been learning from your mother, Kavita auntie, while I was interested in learning the raga-based songs because I love singing. I don't have any formal training or any kind of professional thing, but it's just out of hobby which I sing. So I opted for auntie's training classes.
Great. I hope you are having a good experience so far.
Yes, and I hope I was not that. I know I'm not like all of you. You sing so beautifully, so nicely. But I just tried. This was my first live performance, so I was a bit tensed also. So I hope I had not made you people go sad with my performance.
Not at all. It's your beautiful spirit that matters. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Yeah. Bhargavi, would you like to say something? Your mic is mute.
It was lovely listening to everyone. So many people sang so beautifully. I think many of the songs, this is the first time I'm hearing, which I didn't hear earlier. So what to say, the mixed of music. Some people are singing English, some people are singing semi-classical. So it's lovely to hear everyone performing. I feel so happy that I am one of the participants here. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's lovely.
Thank you so much. And do we have any audience with Tanima Didi? Ratna Das, our guitar specialist of the evening.
No, they have left for the day.
Okay, cool.
So I would like to thank everyone to make this event successful, and we have given a very short notice. So really thank you for your time and your performances. And, just the spirit is required, and everybody has, performed confidently. That is more important, and we enjoyed a lot. So in this, COVID lockdown, we are always inside home. So at least some kind of entertainment, some kind of, music, which will, relax your mind. And it's really good. We learn and we sing, we perform together. So keep doing that, keep practicing, and we will be having a, more gala event in our upcoming performances and events. Thank you for coming.
And Ratna ma'am, would you like to speak a few words?
Yes, in this pandemic situation, these virtual meetings give us oxygen. Na? That is very essential for our life, and these kind of programs give us so many, what kind of oxygen we can say. Yes, we enjoyed a lot, and thank you. So small kids, they have participated in this program, and I welcome all singers. From my core of heart, I give thanks, special thanks to you, both sisters, Tanima and Donna.
Reshma.
We like this program, and we love you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We love you too, ma'am.
Okay.
And thanks to our mother, Srimati Kobita Patro.
Yeah.
উনি যদি কিছু শব্দ বলেন খুব ভালো লাগবে আমাদের। Our mother, we have been able to do this because of our mom.
Nice.
কিছু বলো না।